Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of general purpose machine families in Google Compute Engine. Apart from this, I'll explain more details about the general purpose machine family series like E2, N1, N2, N2D, T2D, and more. Guys, let's get started. Guys, the general purpose machine family refers to a group of virtual machines instances that are designed to provide a balanced combination of CPU, memory, networking resources. Basically, the general purpose machine family refers to the best performance ratio for a variety of workloads. Guys, these instances are commonly used for applications that require a moderate amount of CPU memory resources such as web servers, small to medium resized databases, development environment, and other general purpose workloads. Machine family are further classified by series of generation. As you can see here, the general purpose machine series are C3, E2, N2, T2D, and N2D series. Guys, every machine series has predefined machine types that provides a set of resources for your virtual machine. The general purpose machine family in the GCP includes several instance types such as N1 standard, N2 standard, E2 standard, T2D standard. Guys, each instance type within the general purpose machine family has different specification and performance characteristics, allowing you to choose the one that best suit your requirement. Guys, if you have a good knowledge of general purpose machine families, then you should easily work on your project. Guys, you think where can you use the general purpose machine family in GCP, right? Basically, the general purpose machine family are used in various purposes like web application, development and test environment, small to medium databases, lightweight analytics, and guys, virtual desktop and containerized microservices, low to medium traffic web and application web servers. Guys, as you can see here, E2 machine series. E2 machine series or lower cost machine in general purpose machine families. It support Intel and AMD ePOC ROM and million processor. Guys, E2 machine series available in both predefined and custom VM. It offer the lowest on demand pricing across the general purpose machine type. Guys, some limitation of E2 machine series. As you can see here, the limitation of E2 machine series as E2 machine series doesn't offer sustained use discount. Guys, now you think what is sustained use discount? Guys, sustained use discount are applied automatically to uses within a project separately for each region. There is no action required on your part to enable this discount. Sustained use discount is given on vCPU and memory usage. I hope so guys, now you understand what sustained use discount exactly is it. And guys, E2 machine series doesn't support GPU, local SSD. SSD means guys, solid state drive and solo tenant nodes and nested virtualization. And the E2 machine series provide consistently low on demand and committed use pricing. Guys, E2 machine series are best suitable for low traffic web services, virtual desktop and more. As you can see here, I have mentioned couple of workload for E2 machine series, and it would be helpful for your GCP examination, as well as you have to select your best machine series for your project requirement. Guys, as you can see here, E2 machine series types. E2 standard types have 4 GB of system memory per vCPU. E2 high memory machine types have 8 GB of system memory per vCPU, and E2 high CPU memory types have 1 GB of system memory per vCPU. Guys, based on your requirement, you have to select the E2 machine. Guys, let's discuss about N1 machine series. N1 instances were the first generation of general purpose instances in GCP. N1 instances offer a balanced combination of CPU and memory resources, and as you can see here, the N1 instances use Intel Haswell processor are available in various predefined machine types. And guys, N1 machine series available in both predefined and custom virtual machine, and it offers a larger sustained use discount that N2 machine series. Guys, N1 machine series are best suitable for low to medium traffic web and app server, virtual desktop and so much. Guys, let's discuss about N2 machine series. Guys, in the N2 instances were the second generation of general purpose instances in Google Cloud Platform. N2 instances use in Intel Cascade Lake processor, which provide higher compute power and enhanced security features. Compared to N1 instance, N2 instance offer the higher ratio of vCPU of to memory, resulting in better CPU to memory balance. Guys, the N2 machine series available in both predefined and the custom VM. It support committed use discount and sustained use discount. Guys, you think what is committed use discount? Now, when you purchase a committed use contract and your purchase compute engine resources such as vCPU, memory, GPU, local SSD and solo tenants nodes and more at a discount price in return for the committing to paying for these resources for 1 year to 3 years. Guys, I hope so now you understand. Basically, GCP provide the discount of to 57 to 70% to the customer for uses of GCP services. N2 VM support both the SCSI, that means guys small computer system interface, and NVM means non-volatile memory disk interface. Guys, the small computer system, a system interface commonly used for connecting hard drives, tape drive, CI/CD drive and the other devices to the computer system. NVM refers to a type of computer memory that retains the data even when the power is turned off, in the contrast to the volatile memory like RAM, random access memory. Guys, as you can see here, I have pointed out all the points for your GCP examination questions. I hope so it would be helpful for your GCP exam. Guys, let's discuss the N2D instances are a specific variant within the N2 series that features AMD EPYC processor. Guys, N2D machine series are available in both predefined and custom virtual machine. It support committed use and sustained use level discount. Guys, it support confidential VM. That is a very important point, guys. It would be helpful for your GCP examination. And guys, in which machine series support for the confidential VM, then just you have to select your correct option answer like N2D machine series. Guys, as you can see here, the limitation of N2D machine series are it doesn't support GPU or nested VM. Guys, you think what are the basic difference between N1, N2, N2D machine types in Google Cloud Platform? Guys, as you can see here, N1 machine is the first generation of machine type and N2 is the second generation and N2D is the specific variant within the N2 series machine type. Guys, the only difference is processor and nothing else. As you can see here, as I mentioned, the N1 series uses for Haswell processor, N2 series used for Intel Cascade processor and N2D used for AMD EPYC Milan processor and nothing else, guys. I hope so now you understand N1, N2, N2D, all the machine series. Guys, as you can see here, N1 machine series type and N1 standard type machine types N1 high memory machine types and N1 high CPU machine types. As you can see here, N1 standard machine types have 3.75 GB of system memory per vCPU. N1 high memory machine types have 6.5 GB of system memory per vCPU, and N1 high CPU machine types have 0.9 GB system memory per vCPU. Guys, similarly, N2 machine series types like N2 standard machine types and N2 high memory machine types, N2 standard machine types. Guys, as I mentioned here, N2 standard machine types have 4 GB of system memory per vCPU. N2 high memory machine types have 8 GB of system memory per vCPU. N2 standard machine types have 4 GB system memory per vCPU. Guys, similarly, N2D machine series, as you can see here, N2D standard machine types have 4 GB of system memory per vCPU, and N2D high memory machine types have 8 GB of system memory per vCPU, and N2D high CPU machine types have 1 GB of system memory vCPU. What I have mentioned here, guys, it would be helpful for you to select your best option for the VM as per the customer requirement. Guys, I hope so now you understand it. Guys, let's discuss about Tau T2D machine series. Guys, as you can see here, the Tau T2D machine series run on third generation of AMD EPYC processor with a base frequency of 2.45 GB and effective frequency of 2.8 GHz and maximum boost frequency of 3.5 GHz. Guys, the Tau T2D machine series support committed use and reservation discount, and this series is available only in the selected regions and zones. Guys, in our lab section, I'll show you, and you can visible also some it available only for specific regions and zones. As you can see here, the Tau T2D machine series has lot of limitations, like T2D VM do not support like local SSD, regional persistent disk, custom VM, and the solo tenants node, extreme persistent disk, GPU, and blah blah. Guys, in the GCP examination questions, you have to find out that in which type of machine type series doesn't support for custom VM. Then what is your answer? I know that as I explained. Guys, I hope so now you understand. And another question is, guys, the Tau T2D machine series of use cases for media transcoding. That is also it would be also helpful for your GCP examination. Guys, similarly, Tau T2A machine series. The Tau T2A machine series runs Ampere Ultra ARM processor, as you can see here, and this series is available only in select regions and zone. And Tau T2D and Tau T2A both are similar, guys, don't be confused, and it has also some limitation. As you can see here, it doesn't support like the custom machine type, solo tenants node, nested virtualization, extreme persistent disk, regional persistent disk, local SSD, and it doesn't support like the committed use and sustained use discount, and the same thing, guys, use cases, as you can see here, it is best suitable for the media transcoding, scale out workload, and large scales Java application. And as you can see here, the Tau T2A, Tau T2D machine series types, like the Tau T2A standard machine types have 4 GB of system memory per vCPU, and Tau T2D standard machine types have 4 GB of system memory per vCPU. Guys, let's finally discuss about the C3 machine series. Guys, as you can see here, C3 VMs are powered by 4th generation of Intel J scalable processor, and guys, C3 VM safes are optimized for underlying NUMA architecture to deliver optimal, reliable, consistent performance. It has some limitation, like it doesn't support the sustained use discount, and guys, it is best fitment for high traffic wave and app server. And suppose if you want to create a database server, game server, data analytics, media streaming and transcoding, then it will C3 machine is the best suitable for your requirement, based on your customer requirement also, guys. I hope so. Now you understand all the machine series type in general purpose machine type family. Guys, as you can see here, the C3 machine types are currently available. The following instance configuration in 6 instance size ranging from 4 to 176 BIP CPU. Guys, thank you so much.